Merry Christmas, family and friends. Tonight is Christmas Eve, and we're going to have a traditional Italian dinner, which I deeply missed from Cleveland, Ohio. So hello, family. It is a prosciutto and tomato cream sauce over penne. If you step on over, you can take a look at the ingredients, and this is very simple. You just remember the fours. You have 4 ounces of prosciutto. You're going to have 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. You're going to use a third of heavy cream, and you need 4 cups of tomatoes, cut tomatoes or Italian tomatoes, or you can cut your own tomatoes and add it to the pan. And you're going to have a little bit of crushed red pepper. So what I'm going to do is add the sliced prosciutto, chopped prosciutto, to a foaming melted butter. So you add the prosciutto when you start to see the butter foam. And that's a good sign. And you're only going to cook the prosciutto for 30 seconds. This one enough to get the flavor going. Then you're going to quickly add your tomatoes. So let that open. Got to be multitasking. So we'll stir up the prosciutto. Let's give it a little. You don't want to brown it. You just want the color to change a little bit. In the meantime, you can add your 1 pound of penne to a boiling pot of water. You'll add your cut tomatoes, petite tomatoes, to the pan. Stir it together. And so this timing is perfect because while the sauce is cooking, your penne is cooking. This takes 8 minutes, whereas your noodles would take 10 minutes. Then you're going to add a pinch or 2 of crushed red pepper. I like it a little spicy. And add 1/3 of a cup of cream. This is the delicious part. Now I'm just eyeballing it here, and it may be a little bit heavy, and you can adjust it later. Stir it together. Add just only a pinch of salt. Prosciutto has enough salt as is. And now we're just going to let these simmer and cook, and we'll get back to you in about 10 minutes. Well, welcome back. Our 10 minutes is up, and so it's time to drain the pasta and get serving. Our penne has been cooking for 10 minutes, and it's just a perfect tender temperature. We drain it in a colander, and we're just going to shake off the excess water, place it into a pasta serving dish, add just a little bit of our sauce to cover it, and I'm one who likes to save the excess sauce in a dish such that you can add as much as you like. I'm just going to mix it up before we take it to the table for serving. And I'm going to add a little bit more sauce. And for those out there, just in case you have a heavy hand like myself on the cream, and it became too creamy, just add a little bit of tomato sauce to it. It'll bring back that tomatoey flavor, and I think you'll like it a lot. So, we are ready for our Christmas Eve dinner. We'll move on over to the table. So we're set for a wine and a festive night. Karen, if you'll have a seat, we'll start serving our dinner.
Welcome. The Running Bob cooks his famous meatballs with prosciutto sauce and cream. And I'm going to get ready to sample it. This is so good. Another triumph. But now for the spicy meatballs. Actually, they're not really spicy. They're just famous. Famous throughout his family and famous for anyone who's even tried them once. They'll actually kind of spoil you for any other meatballs. So, just be prepared. Amazing. He's gifted. Thank you, Running Bob. I am one lucky woman.
Well, you've heard it. Great pasta and very good famous meatballs. Just a side note on the meatballs. Although my meatballs are real famous, you can add some pre-made turkey meatballs to your dinner, so they're less in fat and healthier for you. These, my friends, are not healthy for you. It's a once-in-a-year kind of treat, like Christmas, as it is now. Merry Christmas, all.
It was just so delicious. The chef had to have seconds.
Can't insult your own cooking. It's damn good.
True. Happy Christmas Eve, everybody.